So I decided to make a video on the rear door window removal on GM trucks 07 through 14. It's not a video I'm just showing how to actually remove the window. I see videos on how to remove the regulators all day long, but that's not why we're here. We're trying to take the window out. So after you remove your regulator assembly, this, what you're gonna wanna do is come to the outside of the truck. This trim piece right here has some tabs right here. Just pop them out, lift this part up, slide it back, get it out the way. And then this part, this rubber part, take that off, slide it out the way. Now you'll be able to lift your window, push it outwards, and raise it and get it out. Okay, so on the Escalade, the window trim is gonna be a little different. This skinny black piece right here is what's gonna go around the inner trim of the door. You remove that, and it just pops off. A couple of tabs on it, and you just pull off. So this is the outside frame of the door, right there. So you see these little metal retainers right there. Get a better view of that. But little metal retainers all the way around. This is gonna sit on the front of the outside trim, and you'll see the holes right there where the retainers go through. You pop out all the retainers and then lift up and pull this assembly out. So that's how you do that. A little different from the first video I showed you with the Yukon. And the first video is going to really pertain to the Yukon and the Tahoe and the Suburbans, or anything that don't have that trim. But this Escalade particularly is going to pertain to that trim. So yeah, that's how you do that part. So you come in from the outside, drop the window in, put it on your regulator, get all that assembled, and then go ahead and go back with your trim. Alrighty, I'm gonna put it back together. Okay, so the window's installed. I just want to let y'all know that this window does not actually fit correctly. It's enough to sit in there, but it won't work. So I was under the assumption, sorry, my car's passing by, but I was under the assumption that when you have the 03 to 06, if you have the Suburban, Yukon, GMC, or Chevy, well, Chevy Suburban or Escalade, all of those are compatible with each other. Like the Avalanche, the Suburban, and the ESV, and the EXT, all the windows are compatible for them years, 03 to 06, which includes, like I said, Chevy, GMC, and Cadillac. But 07 to 14, they decided to eliminate Cadillac from the equation. Cadillac ESV and EXT are only compatible with each other. That's it. While Chevy and GMC are still compatible with each other. Like the Chevy Avalanche, which is the same body style, is still compatible with a Chevy Suburban back door window or a GMC Yukon XL back door window. But Cadillac is specifically Cadillac. So it's enough to get the window in, but it's too tight of a fit for it to work. So just know that if you go to the junkyard and do what I did. So yeah, hope it helps.